Is Netflix not working on your smart TV, app not opening, freezing, or showing errors? You just want to watch, but it keeps failing. Don't worry, I will show you real fixes that work in 2026. Let's fix this step by step. Step 1. Restart your smart TV. This clears temporary system bugs. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Wait until the TV turns back on fully. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Netflix needs stable and fast internet. If the connection is weak, videos will not load. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then check connection status. If possible, switch to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Step 3. Restart your router. Network issues are very common. Turn off your router. Wait 60 seconds, turn it back on and reconnect your TV. Step 4. Check Netflix server status. Sometimes the problem is not your TV. Netflix servers may be down. You can check this on the Netflix status page using your phone. Step 5. Update Netflix app. Outdated apps can stop working. Go to Apps, then open App Store. Find Netflix and select Update if available. Step 6. Clear Netflix app cache. Cache can cause freezing and errors. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select Netflix. Select Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless needed. Step 7. Sign out and sign back in. Account issues can stop playback. Open Netflix, then go to Settings, then select Sign Out. Log in again with your account. Step 8. Update your smart TV software. System updates fix compatibility issues. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update, then select Update Now. Step 9. Check date and time settings. Wrong time can break Netflix connection. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Date and Time. Set it to Automatic. Step 10. Advanced Fix. Reinstall Netflix. If nothing works, reinstall the app. Go to Apps, then select Netflix, then choose Delete. Restart your TV. Install Netflix again from the App Store. Step 11. Factory Reset as last option. This solves deep system issues. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset, then select Factory Reset. Set up your TV again from start. If you still face any problem, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your Netflix will now run smoothly without errors or buffering.